So 5 products, glowy, dewy skin, the whole makeup look in under 5 minutes. So I will start that timer there now. I quickly do my eyebrows. My eyebrows take no time. If your eyebrows take longer, that's quite all right. I just find this is easy because this product, the Brow Stylist Definer, you just kind of draw in strokes and you're good. I have some family members who don't have a lot of eyebrow hair, and I recommended this to them, and they really enjoy it as well too, so you have that option. And then I didn't want to cut any of this out because I wanted to show you that it was truly the time that I said it was, but I was going to do my bronzer first, but I decided against it. I decided to do the blush first. This is really important. I find blending it out is easier when I put it on my fingers and I blend from there. If I put it on with the applicator just straight and then I blend, it can be harder to blend. So if I put it on with my fingers and blend it as I'm going, it's much easier. I hope this makes sense. I'm really bad with my words sometimes. And then I put that on my lip too. These Fenty Matchstix can be used for many different things. I really, really like them. I would like to get some more. And then I do use the highlighter. The pink was Yacht Life. The highlighter is Starstruck. And then the bronzer color that I use is Suede, but I don't use much of the bronzer. You'll see that. With the highlight, I find you could put it straight on because it's close to your skin tone. So if you have a darker skin tone, use a darker highlight, etc. So it's close to your skin tone, so you can just kind of put it on and lightly blend it out. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Then I believe this is the bronzer. Oh no, this is the concealer, yes. I like to put the concealer on after these in case any of the color gets into where I want to put my concealer. Just because I want a really fresh under eye and I just want to take away, I don't want anything heavy. I just want to take away that little bit of darkness that I have under my eye. That's why I use a very, very small amount of concealer. This is what I used to do for my brides or sometimes the mother of the bride or maid of honor, anyone really. This is what I used to do for my clients who wanted to wear no makeup, who wore no makeup in their daily life. So having a full mask on would be very weird for them. That's what I did for them. And then I'm putting that bronzer shade all over my lid too, just to give a little bit of color. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. If you would rather do the pink, you could do that too. Really, you could do whatever. Just use your hands, blend it out. It's a really simple look. It's really fast. I'm all about simplicity and fast in my daily life. Oh yes, and then I'm just throwing some more highlight on just for that dewy, glowy look. Inner corner, under the eyebrow. You really put it wherever you want to. I could have put a bit more on my forehead too, but other than that, I believe that that is the entire look. I hope you all enjoy, and I hope you... Oh yeah, I'm just blending it out now. I got a little bit of the highlighter under my one eye, so I just replicated it on the other eye. It was not a big deal at all. And as you can see, under 5 minutes. Hope you all have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye.